Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Cryptohopper trading bot to Kucoin exchange using the API keys. First though, let's bring on my little friend Bertie Bot. Come on Bertie. Now this is something I've never done with Kucoin before. So it's a slightly different process to connecting to Binance, but basically the result is the same. It allows Cryptohopper to connect to your exchange in order for you to give it permission, Cryptohopper that is, to trade on your behalf 24/7. Okay guys, so here I am inside of Kucoin on my left and Cryptohopper on my right. I'm going to hide the IP addresses so you won't be able to see them. Don't want any hackers trading on my behalf. Hide your API keys and your IP addresses from everyone. Don't let anybody see them. Alright? Don't share them on social media, to your friends, in chats or anything like that. You don't want any hackers getting a hold of these API keys and IP addresses. So, alright, so here I am in Cryptohopper and Kucoin. I've clicked on, inside of Kucoin, let me full screen that. I clicked on API management here, or you can click on here. Alright, now this is all assuming that you've already got a trading password set up. So when you create your account with Kucoin, they will ask you for a trading password, alright, to give you permission to trade. Alright, now create API name. So I'm going to call it Cryptohopper for obvious reasons, and I'm going to choose a phrase. Alright, so I'm just going to choose a load of random letters. I'll let you see these because I'm going to delete them afterwards, no point in keeping them. And I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to go here and I'm going to paste that in there. API passphrase. Alright, next step, I'm going to click on spot trading and only spot trading, and then I'm going to click on yes here, which is to lock out any other IP addresses from using. It's an extra layer of security and I recommend you do that. Alright, now so we've done that. We've done passphrase, we've given it a name, we've allowed spot trading, and we've clicked on yes for the IP addresses, and we've pasted our IP addresses in there. And I'm going to blur these out, and then we're going to click on next. Now usually when you do this, you will get you'll have to confirm via email and authenticator. Alright, Google Authenticator. But since I've done it twice to practice with just 5 minutes ago, I don't need to do that again because I'm still doing it now. Alright, trading password like I mentioned earlier, which is what you set up when you create your account. Click on confirm. Now that is just confirming everything. Now then, copy the key, paste it in the top there. Copy the API secret, paste that in there. So I've got all those three fields complete. Now I'm going to click on save. And that basically, guys, is how to connect your Kucoin exchange to your Cryptohopper via API keys. Click on confirm there. So that gives Cryptohopper permission to use your Kucoin for trading on spot. Right, spot is not leveraged, it's not on derivatives or futures or anything like that. It's just spot trading. Alright, now just a reminder, you didn't see me having to do the Google Authenticator and the email, but I expect when you do that for the first time with your Kucoin, you will have to go through that little process. It's just extra layers of security. Don't get annoyed about it. It's actually very beneficial for you to do that. Alright, so okay, that is all done. Now, as for strategies and signals and everything else, that's a different video altogether, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on connecting your Kucoin with your Cryptohopper, and as you can see, it was fairly easy, and it's a similar process with whatever exchange you're connecting to. Alright, like, comment, subscribe. If you want the secret sauce for Cryptohopper, all my best settings, let me know in the comments below. Click the link below to get Cryptohopper through my link, and I'll give you free access to the secret sauce and my help on Skype to set up your bot. Okay guys, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you again in the secret sauce or in the next video. Take it easy. Bye bye. Come on, Bertie. Come on, don't be shy. Come on.